Hello, this is Zurab Makarashvili. This is Mike Welesiani. We are from Georgia. We have construction company, we are producers, and we have different type of production lines, like for scaffoldings, props, and etc. So our company established 2015, and day by day our company increases. That's why we have decided to come to China and to receive and gain the best quality of products. That's why we attended to Canton Fair and we saw this company. About this company, my friend Mike Welesiani will tell you about.
Actually, we are expressed to see that brand new company, only 4 years old, and so successful and professional in their field. So we are looking forward to cooperate with them in a long term with the highest quality. Thank you.
Wish you success.
Thank you.